Hi, so my name is Dan D. De Leon Gatong, or you can call me Dan or D. So in terms of my work experience, I have 3 years experience in an IT staff member, centered on resolving technical issues in different kind of schools. After that, I worked as technical administrator for a year in a well-known internet service provider, and then I was promoted as regular employee due to my excellent performance. And after that, they assigned me another task as device fulfillment officer. So I've worked on many different kind of operating system as well as um, network issues, troubleshooting, um, customer service, and other multitasking. So as I said earlier, I can contribute to the company with commitment and confidence to achieving its goals. And also I'm skilled with variety of useful software program as well, including spreadsheets and programs in photos and videos editing. So I would like to offer your company my expertise if given a chance. So, and fun fact about me is that I am a friendly person. I have a lot of hobbies like playing basketball, playing board games, and I love playing computer games, but not girls, ah. So if you have an employee who loves games as much as I do, and also happens to be my coworker, I believe we can create a strong teamwork at work. So thank you.